All right, today we're going to take a look at what I consider a novelty Zippo, but it's going to be a billion-dollar business if it isn't already. So this one, it says Clovers and Leaf. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA in Bradford, PA. Nothing special about the insert. But here is the Zippo. You can see it's got clovers everywhere. And it's got that one special leaf right there. And this one was made in G of 18. Comes with a steel insert. It's on a black matte finish. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this leaf. Okay, it passes the drop test. That is the clover. And the special leaf right there. And it definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.